Hello, HWE 1061 folks. Welcome to Monday, June 1st. It is June. So we are going to be wrapping up week one tonight. So that for you means getting everything in this by this evening. So that would be your discussion for week one. That would be your activity and food log, so the weekly log. Of which I have responded to some people on this with questions, but you may utilize any new units of measure that you would like to when you're tracking your food. So I have pre-put in like ounces, cups, this, that, and the other with each of those food groups. But if that does not work for you, I want you to use what does, and just tell me how you're recording it. It's for you. The tool is for you. The log is for you. So make it useful for you and how that translates best over to tracking your food. Same goes for exercise. Make it work for you. Fill in each category though too, because I do grade on you actually completing the log, not what you're putting in it, not what you're doing, not what you're eating, just that you're actually keeping record of these things, that you're cognizant of what is happening during the week with activity and with food. And the last piece of that is the additional wellness goals. I want you to write something there. So that could be sleep. That could be scrolling on your phone less. That could be calling your mom. It doesn't matter, but those other goals are going to be a huge piece of wellness, and you'll see that. So the physical aspect of wellness is very much you tracking your food and you being physically active, but we're going to look at all the dimensions of wellness. So we're looking at the spiritual aspect, we're looking at the emotional aspect and the mental aspect and the occupational aspect and the physical aspect, and then one other that the environmental aspect. So 7 dimensions, there's a lot there. And so any of those additional wellness goals could fit into that spot, but I do want you to track them. It can change from week to week too. You can work on something and then choose to do something else as well. So log, quiz, activity. Some of you have had questions about the books and the ebook and finding the activity. The labs are all at the end of the chapter in which the activities kind of are derived from. If you can't, you won't be able to necessarily send in the lab paperwork, but you'll reflect what you've completed in that lab to me. So however you choose to do that is fine. So, and then the discussion. So those 4 things: log, discussion, activity, and quiz. Those are what are due tonight. Let me know if you have questions. I hope you're enjoying the class so far. I hope that you're kind of digging in and getting comfortable with the format. It's very similar from week to week. So once you get this first week under your belt, I think things will be a little bit easier. And that is it. All right. Have a great Monday, and email me with any questions.